Hi, can I have a coffee? Black.
This look too much?
It's fashion, love. It's never too much.
Drayden, how did your interview go?
It was fine. They wanted someone more experienced, which is, makes sense.
Not really. So my dad sold his parts to a Chevy with the usual call of Houston. But that's where I paid for my flight ticket. So if I don't bring a scout tonight, it's on me.
Where should we eat tonight, guys? I'm starving. Those appetizers do not look good.
So hungry, I can murder a right now.
Yeah, nice juicy one.
Guys, wait. We literally look like celebrities. When we're walking on the streets, people stare at us, wondering who we are. That's like so iconic.
It is. That's a really crazy way to look at it. We really are who we are.
We're gonna be good guys. It's just a matter of
Ribbons.
Ribbons and sequins.
What time's the gala?
6.
It's 5:50.
Oh, yeah, it's 5. If you don't know. It's 9 now.
It's late.
Right?
To kill the vibe, hating me like it's their 9 to 5. I'm just praying that they realize they wanna keep me down. Think I'll stay good now, but feet on the ground. I think I'll stick around. Spends on in fair weathers. I'll love till I do it better. When old friends turn into strangers, you already know that this a banger. Just take my time on this crazy ride. 777 and angel signs. Let's get it clear, I'm still sincere. It's quitting time, but I'm still here. They say I'm not enough, I'm not surprised. They always talking shit to kill the vibe, hating me like it's a 9 to 5. I'm just praying that they realize. They say I'm not enough, I'm not surprised.
Tomorrow, in our name, the earth will speak in our vowels again. We'll walk with the quiet arrogance of those who survived the attempt of extinction, wearing our blood like rain, our laughter like weapons. We'll exist so vividly the air will adjust around us. The future is already folding itself into our hands, and we are not gentle with it. For our people who carry the past, shape the present, and dream the future.